So here we have some heavy iron buildup in the well filter.
Okay, that's good.
And this is our Speedy BOLT. We're just pulling the pump out so we can clean this well. You can see all that heavy iron buildup on the line.
What do we do?
That's a mess.
We're lowering the water well brush to scrub the casing.
This is a 68-year-old guy. I'm doing it. It's going in. I'm doing it with my strength. I'm holding on to the bore line. It's supporting it. It's dropping in.
Here we have the Speedy BOLT lowering the pump back in place.
This is so much easier to work with than PVC.
What happened to Andy? Oh, I'm sorry. Ready, go. Well is on. We expect that, of course. Okay, that really just tells us we loosened up a bunch of stuff.
And much cleaner.